hotel boasted year-round tenants and notable guests. However, in 1911, a fast-moving brush fire destroyed the hotel and the land was left to be reclaimed by Mother Nature. And again, to get a good look at where Hotel Juanita was, as we cross over this bridge right now, look to the right at the
Alright everybody, welcome back. It's been a hot minute. I haven't not recorded barely anything while I've been here, but we decided to paint Paige's bathroom. It was blue. You can kind of see around the edges. It was a dark turquoise blue. We've done 2 layers of paint. It's gonna need a third for sure because there's still spots. So we're just waiting for this paint to dry. It's like 7 or 8 in the morning by now, but we woke up and just started painting. We painted last night and then painted this morning, so I'm gonna go eat some breakfast and then come back and do another layer. As you can see, the paint is still wet. Took out the sink, changed out the light fixture, took off the covers for the electrical devices, took off the shower towel hanger. So yeah, just waiting for things to dry and then we'll be back. That's about it. I'll try to keep you guys updated a little bit more today, but we'll see. Give you guys another paint update in a bit. All right, third coat is finished. Paige is finishing up as we speak. Here's what it looks like. So we're gonna do some plumbing next, Paige. Plumbing, mirror, put the covers back on once it dries. Nice and wet, glistening. Slay. Nice job. Teamwork. Start it off, cool. Hit it with the all right. Hit it.
All right.
We just finished the bathroom, got the new pedestal sink in, hit the water, cuh. Dang, slay. Got the mirror up. The light already been changed a long time ago. The only thing that's really left is to patch these little holes from the old mirror. There's like 8 of them. And then like a little one down there. Got the shelf up right here, as you can see. There's another couple holes down there. Got the covers back on the GFCI, 4 switches, and then the towel bars back on. Rods up, curtains up,
Pictures.
curtains up. Yeah, the only thing missing is the pictures. Painted the walls 3 times, toilet things back up.
Should I put pictures on this?
Ceilings closed up.
That would be cute.
Nailed it. Alright guys, everything is pretty much done. I don't remember if I gave an update or not. Got the towel back hanging, the curtain back up. Got some pictures hanging now. Paige's mom, Paige, Paige's dad, Paige's dad's mom, Paige, like 13 pictures of Paige going through babyhood over here. Got the curtain back up. Buzz Lightyear's just temporary chilling right there. And a shelf for amenities or whatever. Look, I made the bathroom. That's at Jessica's house, Trevor and Jessica's house. Another picture of Paige. And the mirror, the light again, the bathroom sink, and that's pretty much it. So, successful trip. Nailed it. Killed it in the bathroom. I did 3 layers of paint. Turned out looking pretty good. Pulled out all the holes and then just have to fill those, and that's pretty much it. I think she wants to hang more pictures, but I'll have to come later. But everything else turned out really great. Love it. First time painting, or second I guess, but basically second. First time hand painting, but second time painting. So anyways, slay.